When will we learn our lesson that despite countless efforts for the government to stimulate the economy, we've seen little in the way of results? The landscape is literally littered with examples of failed government expenditures, and it's sinking us further and further into debt. Look, we have Solyndra, that's $500 million that could have been spent on education in this country and math and science initiatives. We have Ammonex, we have Beacon Power, we have Evergreen Solar here in Massachusetts. This is wasteful spending. This is not solving the problem. Even the best venture capital in this country know that they have a low success rate. These expenditures were doomed from the start. The real tragedy here is not the short-term impact, which is relatively minimal. It's the long-term consequences of this. It's sad that this has to happen. Even though these balances are relatively small, you've got an entire generation that's not going to be prepared for retirement. They're going to delay retirement savings for 10 years, which could be the difference between retiring at 65 and 85. So that's really the problem. And again, the tragedy is why this has to happen. It's because it's such a muted recovery, such a jobless, lackluster recovery, and because we've had stagnant wages. That's the reason this has happened, and that's why we have this problem. Investors are starved for income right now. Look overseas to find that income. Also, a weaker dollar could benefit foreign-based investments. Good for investments like IDV, Dow Jones Select Dividend Index, pays over 5% yield. Find that in the U.S. easily today.